In this video, I'm going to display the streamline functionality of MARACOOS OceansMap. So for certain vector layers, for example, winds or currents, there's an option to display the data as streamlines. So as an example, I'm going to turn on global wind, and the default is our barbs here that you see on the screen. But if we go into this settings option and change the style from barbs to streamlines and save that, we now have streamlines displaying on OceansMap. Now we can't see with white very well, so I can change this to black or color scale. I can save that as black, and you can see the streamlines show up there in the map. Now these are customizable. You can customize the density of the streamlines, how large they show on the map, how slow or fast they move, if they're shorter or longer streamlines, and the randomness of them.